What's going on, everybody? As you can see, we're back in the beam moonroof. You already know. Guys, like, comment, subscribe for the build. This build is crazy already. So we did MHD stage 2 plus. Right now, we're on it right now. I did do some pulls, I can't lie to you, I did. Rolling anti-lag, hold on. And it's crazy. JB4 was awesome. This, it's literally like a no-brainer to do it. I understand why people don't do it. Like it is sketchy to send the ECU out, but hopefully you guys can get something out of this video and maybe just go do it. So car has been idling for quite a bit now, almost 30 minutes. We're about to go to church, but I'm gonna make a stop, do a little cinematic, and then obviously we'll talk about the car. So guys, I absolutely positively enjoy this car now even more than what I was enjoying it on JB4 and even stock. The car is just absolutely insane. Obviously, I feel like it pulls harder because I am in CT, so like it's cold. Like now it's cold. We're getting to those colder days. Obviously you guys can see the trees and stuff, but car is just loving that weather, and realistically she just loves to do what she got to do. But yeah, we're in comfort. Car loves it. Sport plus, what an idiot. Sport plus, car loves it. Yeah, I got to get this oil temp up a little more. It looks good on the gauge, but not on the sport display. It does have burples now, which I don't know if I like it. Burples are kind of like a give or take for me. I don't really care about the burples, but I do like them. I don't know. It's hard. It's definitely like specific, I feel like. So guys, as you see here, the sport displays are different. So now you got up to 20 pounds of boost. Obviously you could go higher, tuning related, obviously. Whatever you tune, it could go higher or whatever. It has the oil temp still, obviously, and then it has your torque, which goes up to 640 now. I'm not hitting those numbers, obviously, but then your horsepower, I think it ended at 400 or something like that. Now it goes up to 560 as well, so that's pretty cool. I'm just in between the 420 and 560 line, so I don't know what the car's really putting down, but it's got to be putting down some jams, because this car feels crazy. The G's go down. It's actually insane, like insane. And shout out to this kid, I forgot his name, man, but I'm gonna put it right here because he told me, or you know, he made a video on how to do it, and he told me the time he got his back was like 5 days, and same thing. So shout out to Femto, shout out to DHL for getting this thing back to me like super quick too, like very quick. So I'm hyped about that. I sent it out on Monday like afternoon too, like around 3 p.m. Monday Eastern Standard Time, and I got it back on Friday. I just picked it up there at 10 in the morning, so it's just crazy. Go ahead and put it in sport plus, of course. You hear the burples? This is why I love this car so much. Take off that. Alright, ready? Let's say we're doing like a 30 roll, right? You press down right here, and then push that pedal down all the way. Let it build. Fam. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo! You guys don't know. This car is a whole different beast, bro. Oh my God, yo. That's the first time I really did a 30 roll. That was in second gear, and I was around 4,000 RPM. I could try a third gear. Maybe it'll be good, better. But I think the second gear was perfect for those 30 rolls. I think 60 rolls, maybe like third gear. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that yet. But you have to let the boost build, and you can work all this stuff on the MHD app. So I thought 10 pounds was a lot for the MHD anti-lag, and it wasn't, because when I did that, it was very weak. It was very weak. So then it lets you go up to 16 pounds. So I went over to 16 pounds, and that just happened. So yeah, this car is just different, man. Like, even down to the dang digs, guys. Like, the car just loves to be going, dude. Okay, M60 right here. You have to let this boost build, though. Oh my god. I think M3 maybe, or maybe I didn't let it build all the way. But pretty much to do the anti-lag, you have to just click off your traction control. It has to be in Sport Plus, and then you have to just press this down and hold it, and then mash your foot down. I don't think you have to be in manual mode. I think you could just be like, well, yeah, it's kind of manual mode. You just got to be in the S mode, I guess, and then you can go ahead and hit this, and it actually is very fast. Let me see if it works on this mode, I guess, right? So guys, it for sure works with the S mode. So you can just hold down right here. Yeah, this car is insane. There's no reason. It's so insane. Oh my god. So guys, we're out of church, but give you a front view of this. Dang. This car is just nutty, man. This car is nutty. Let me put that up, because last time freaking sound killed it all. But yeah, I'm on my way to church. There is a scat pack on the other side. I wish we could get a run in, but every time I'm on this side, there's nobody around. When I'm on the other side, they're on this side. When I'm on this side, they're on the other side. But anyways, guys, in conclusion, should you flash your car? MHD, I don't know about BM3. I heard BM3 or whatever that thing is called. I heard that's good, but MHD I heard is top tier from my buddy and from doing research on YouTube videos and the forums and stuff. A lot of people who go JB4 like I did end up just going full flash, and then a lot of people who just go BM3, I believe it's called, they end up going full flash as well. So, well, to MHD as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. And let's do one more hit for y'all with the anti-lag. We'll drop it down. We'll drop it down. We're going kind of fast right now. Alright, from the front view, you guys ready? This car is insane. Anyways, God bless you guys. Trust God. Work hard. And I'll see you guys next one.